Hello everyone. Tie multiple rubber bands to the side and then braid the middle. Make 2 ponytails on either side. For our next hairdo, start off by tying 2 ponytails at the top. Make 3 ponytails at the bottom and then join them accordingly. Join them to the sides. Roll them up and add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, then make a braid out of it. Once you are done tying the braid, add a rubber band to it. Lift it up. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll it around and make it around the braid. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail and then make 3 braids out of it. Take one of the braids and then roll it around the other 2. Make a heart shape out of the other 2 and add a bow. For our next hairdo, take a section off the top of the head and then make 2 braids out of it. Tie it up. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 halves in a zigzag way and then tie 2 ponytails out of it. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 portions, make 2 braids at the bottom, make a braid at the top and roll it up into a bun. Using your fingers, loosen up the braids. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, start off by dividing the hair into 3 portions, make 2 braids at the bottom, make a braid at the top. Start off by tying a ponytail and then add a ribbon with a bow to it. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, make 2 braids. For our next hairdo, start off by adding this to the hair. Then roll up the hair and then tie a bun out of it and tie it up at the top. This is a hair twine. For our next hairdo, take this top section of the hair, make 2 braids. Tie 2 ponytails in the middle and then roll them in on themselves. Add the braid to it. Tie 2 braids at the bottom, roll them upwards. Add a bow. For our next hairdo, make multiple braids and then tie a ponytail in the middle. Use a bun mold and then wrap the hair around it as such. Add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, make 2 braids at the bottom, then tie a ponytail in the middle. Using a bun stick, wrap the hair around. Adjust accordingly. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself, tie 2 braids and then roll it upwards. Add 2 decorative clips. Next, start off by making a ponytail and then twist the ponytail one on top of the other. Make a bun after you are done. Add a decorative clip to it. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, add a decorative ribbon with a bow to it. Taking the sections of the ribbon, include it into the 2 braids that you are making. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 portions, 4 portions actually, and then add multiple rubber bands to the bottom, roll it upwards and then make a bun. Thank you for watching.